Welcome back. An end could be in sight for special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation. Iowa's governor backs off the fetal heartbeat law, and Illinois' governor goes big in his first budget address. All things we'll talk about this morning with former AFSCME Local 46 President Greg Johnson and former Iowa Republican Party Chair Steve Grubbs. Good to see you both again.
Thanks, Jim. Thanks for having us.
We'll start with Illinois. New Governor J.B. Pritzker took an aggressive stance in his first budget address this week. Some highlights: education spending from early childhood through universities, an increase of $650 million in spending there. $265 million more for human services and almost $38 million more for public safety. He proposes new taxes on plastic bags, legalized sports, gambling, marijuana licenses, and of course he thinks revenue will come up if he legalizes recreational marijuana, cigarettes, Medicaid. Pritzker also wants to adopt a progressive income tax rate in time with a constitutional amendment required for that. He claims his plans would turn the state's more than $3 billion deficit into a $155 million surplus. Now, we heard Bruce Rauner make big promises too. Pritzker does enjoy Democratic majorities. I guess how much of this can realistically get done this year, and is he overplaying the financial benefits here? Greg Johnson.
It's going to be a long process. He made it clear, I think yesterday, the first thing he's going to work on is getting this progressive tax on the ballot. That seems to be the focus. It's what it was a big part of his campaign platform. We have to raise revenue in Illinois, period. You know, people are leaving Illinois. We have to accept that fact. We can't continue to go through property taxes, rents going up. We have to look at ways to raise revenue. These tough discussions are going to have to be had, but I think he does have to start with the progressive tax and move on to these other issues.
Is he overplaying it too much, too fast?
I think he's a new governor, so there's always that danger of playing it too fast, but he has a 4-year term. He has the next 2 years, he has a supermajorities to work with. So if he is, he's going to learn quickly that he isn't, and he'll get on track.
Steve Grubbs.
You know, legalizing recreational marijuana in the Illinois Quad Cities will definitely have an impact on Iowa. And it's something that the whole Quad Cities needs to keep an eye on, because we all know from Colorado and Nevada that it does change the culture of a state.
What do you think about his approach overall, pushing such a big agenda so quickly? Do you have to run with that momentum while you have it?
I think the challenge that Illinois has is they've got big budget problems, but they also are a fairly high tax state. So every time you raise taxes, it drives a few more people out, which lowers overall revenue. It's sort of it's just this negative cycle that I just don't know how they get out of, but they've got definitely financial problems.
A lot of different ideas, to be sure, coming from the governor, and we'll see how that plays out in Springfield over the next few months. Well, now to Iowa. Governor Kim Reynolds announced she won't appeal the court ruling that struck down the state's controversial fetal heartbeat law. She says she couldn't see a way to win. Republicans always knew this would require a battle in the courts, so I guess why pass the law in the first place if they're not going to fight for it? Continue to fight for it, Steve.
You know, when she signed the fetal heartbeat bill, a lot of people said that would cause her not to be reelected. She went on to she was reelected in a tough election year. So I think that shows the mood of Iowa voters. Having said that, at the end of the day, politics is the art of the possible, and the courts indicated that no matter what she did, it was not going to be approved. And so, you know, I think she has decided to cut her losses there and approach the pro-life issue from a different angle.
But isn't the argument that if you keep fighting, maybe you'll get that hearing in the Supreme Court, and you've got a conservative majority of justices there, though that actually could become law, right?
Yeah, I think they're going to approach it from a less aggressive legal standpoint and try to run it up the flagpole that way.
Greg Johnson.
Iowa legislators have made it clear they're going to try other ways to get this to the Supreme Court. Obviously, she didn't feel this was the vehicle, the bill that needed to go there. They're not going to quit trying to take away a woman's right to choose what to do with her body in Iowa. They've taken a hard list of the right their legislature has, and they're not about to stop now.
I guess the whole process is, it seems like it was a futile attempt to begin with. So
they put them on the map, though. And I mean, it made national headlines.
Well, what's the next option? I guess what's the next type of legislation we would see?
First of all, you say it was futile, but you didn't know that until the Iowa courts ruled on it. And once there were 2 rulings that came down since it passed, and the governor looked at those rulings and said, okay, we're not going to get this through the courts, let's try something else.
Let's move on. CNN broke the news this week that special counsel Robert Mueller could wrap up his investigation next week and forward his report to Attorney General William Barr. Now, he's indicted or gotten guilty pleas from 34 people. This week, former acting FBI Director Andrew McCabe, making the rounds on his book tour, indicated the agency raised concerns early in the Trump administration with congressional leaders, the Gang of Eight, in fact, that the president might be a Russian asset. William Barr will have a big decision in front of him only weeks into his job when it comes to making the Mueller report public. I guess the question is, how much should he make public, and how much will he make public here? Steve, I guess I'll go with you on that one.
Well, so first of all, we've seen a lot of activity from the special counsel, the special prosecutor, but none of it to the core issue. And so what I think everybody on both sides of the aisle are waiting for is to see if anything comes out of the report that gets to the core issue of someone being complicit in working with the Russian government and manipulating American elections.
Some of the subordinates seem to be, right?
Well, but not to the core issue of did they coordinate with the Russian government to manipulate U.S. elections.
And okay, so how much should he make public, or do you think will he make public of that?
I think everything should be made public that is that doesn't affect national security, and I think that's what the Attorney General will likely do. He's an experienced Attorney General, and I think he's a good one.
Big decision facing him only weeks into the job, too. Greg Johnson.
I agree with Steve. I think the entirety of the report should be made public as long as it doesn't compromise national security. I mean, I think people want to know. We've been talking about this for a long period of time. It's amazing to watch people speculate on what's in there, what's not. There's only a couple people that really know what's in there, and I think the American public deserves to know.
Now, McCabe, in his book, he raised the questions when he raised the matter of the potential Russian asset early in the Trump administration. He told you the Gang of Eight, and he writes that that Republicans, even in that meeting, were just sort of like, and they haven't contradicted him publicly about that statement. Isn't that sort of alarming that they were sort of accepting?
We'll see. Look, McCabe's selling books.
Yes,
you got to make big statements selling books.
Sure, but no one's come out to contradict that.
And McCabe was set against Trump from the very beginning. He was going to work against Trump in every way he could. So, I'm very skeptical at everything he has said. We'll see next week.
Fellow Republican, Andrew McCabe, right?
You can say that.
James Comey, fellow Republican.
Yes. So fine. But
Robert Mueller, fellow Republican.
The point is, we'll see next week what's actually in the report instead of all this speculation, right? We've had speculation for a year and a half. I'm very interested in what the facts are.
I think a lot of people are, and we will hopefully find out soon enough. Senator Bernie Sanders made an even dozen this week when he launched his campaign for president. Yes, there are now 12 Democrats in the race, a number that's still likely to climb. There they are, the magnificent 12, if you want to believe that. The candidates do vary in their policies. One of them, John Delaney, says Democrats will be choosing between forms of socialism and a more just form of capitalism. He subscribes to the latter. I guess how correct is he, and to what extent are the Democrats struggling with their own identity and messages here, Greg?
I think there's a lot of great candidates. They have a golden opportunity here. We have a very unpopular president on the ballot in 2020 to take on.
But their message can't be just
they
no
need
Donald
to
Trump.
They need to find this middle ground. The far left and the moderate part of this party, they need to make sure that what happened in 2016 doesn't happen again. They need to make sure that they are supporting the values and the people, the ideas that working people want to hear about. They better not go too far left or too far right. They better find the middle ground, and they better make sure that they select the right candidate to make sure that Donald Trump is defeated in November of 2020.
Are Democrats choosing between a form of socialism and a more just form of capitalism?
If you listen to the words that they're speaking, they've pretty much settled on socialism. The candidates are accepting pretty much everything that AOC, that Alexandria
Ocasio-Cortez.
Ocasio-Cortez.
Look at you going by the nickname there.
Yeah. So I would say there's going to be a struggle for the heart of the Democratic Party, but right now it sure seems like it's tacking hard to the left.
Greg, you don't agree?
I don't agree with that totally. No, I don't. She's getting a lot of press. The press sells. How can Republicans on one hand say that Donald Trump only gets negative press, there's a lot of positive things, and then that they only focus on what Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez is doing? She does have resistance within the party as well from some moderates. I mean, I just don't think that's a fair assessment of where the party's at. I don't think it's that far to the left at all.
Resistance is futile.
Steve Grubbs, Greg Johnson.
All of us for Trump, that's for sure.
Thanks for the discussion, guys.